allergies, so I not deal with. As a matter of fact, I say good morning, good afternoon. About 1 o'clock, you know, or about 2 o'clock. You know? So I say for the week, we just go and kick it back. See where I go now. So, then I cook some food.
Can I just smash these out? Smash these out?
Yeah, that's good. Nisha cooking rice and peas.
Ziggy's teaching me how to make rice and peas, you know, because your girl. I do the cheat way at home in Canada, but he's teaching me from scratch. And my dad showed me, you know,
what do you mean the cheat way? Yeah, man, way?
Like you just have the tin can.
Oh.
Dash in the rice cooker.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, anyway, we are there to cook some rice, man.
Make sure you hold it. Always hold this because there's some rocks.
Oh. Cook some.
Am I blocking the sun?
Curry pork. I understand. Well, I see.
Mosquitoes bite me up.
You ever get mosquito bite? You remember one time when you tell me say? Because your blood sweet and fresh.
Your mom said because yo, low key we woke up this morning, went on the road this morning, and we almost forgot about you guys. See, we're not used to vlogging every day.
No.
Now we gotta because we doing a summer thing. But the place is hot. Like when I say hot,
I'm boring. Like,
it's so hot. Like literally, I'm walking with my shirt up.
Man, if I treat hot,
Ziggy is miserable today.
boring. Yeah?
Should bust up into the water, guys.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah. Nation in pack soup and drink a cup soup.
I know. If it's not that, it's still not away. This is the beetroot juice?
Hmm?
This is the beetroot?
Yeah.
I don't know if it was all
You don't drink none?
I'll drink some later. Too bad we didn't have no. So we didn't have no Irish potato.
No, you go in there, man.
We don't have any.
But oh shit.
So that's what I just said. When we walk up the road and get some?
Go on. I'm gonna vlog same time.
Walk with the camera by myself.
So
pass my cup, please.
Or you want me to go?
You can go.
No, you go.
You go because you're the one that needs to, like, you know, let your nose. Yo, this guy's allergies is so bad. It's like, it's bad.
Oh, watch him, man.
I thought mine was bad, but yours is bad. Literally every minute his nose is running.
Every nose, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I just steamed my face with some hot water because I don't know, my face is just going through something right now. And I know they say you're not supposed to bust the bumps, but I don't follow that. I don't listen to that. In my previous vlogs, you guys will always hear like this rocking noise like this. And it's because I have this string on my camera at the side, so every time I'm walking I keep forgetting to hold the string so it doesn't make that noise. And I don't want to take the string off because I don't want it to drop, the camera to drop. But yeah, the place is so hot. It's so hot. I mean, I'm not complaining, but sun's just beaming. But yeah, so that's basically what we're doing right now. Just cooking, so I guess we have nothing planned today. Literally have nothing planned today. So I don't know how today's gonna play out with this whole vlogging thing, but I guess we'll see what happens. Everyone's kind of running from the sun right now because the sun's hot. Hot. But yeah, I'll tune back in and show you guys what's up.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. On a little beach trip. Yeah. On the beach, go and kick it back. How that girl doing?
Well, I'm good. I like to one.
And yeah, girl in the chiller.
My name is Sammy, girl.
Oh yeah, Shen Quinkwa. Sasha Gay.
Hi.
I have Bitter girl.
Bitter.
I'm Shani. Love you all.
And what your name again?
JD's.
JD's.
Oh God. So I'm the Bitter girl.
Shen
Yes,
Quinkwa.
Bitter girl.
Facey girl, Bitter. And the real G.
Man
charge,
JD.
man. And Bleacher.
No, sir.
Love you all, boy.
Yeah, man. So we there we go and kick it back on the beach side a little bit. You see me? Oh, no, not going to see the idea.
Dancing like you.
Shall buy some food.
You can never know
How
that.
are your uncle gone?
He's saying, go and do up a machine.
good at uncle?
What's this?
No.
No, me no want.
No. No pan.
You can't go down there so go get in, man.
Get what?
Uncle, me tell us if he
Oh, don't I have that part down there, sir?
yeah, don't go say man come like in grades in my bad now. And by the time we go so, I went go
You
down.
get the kush?
Oh no, they didn't.
No, I'm not gonna buy that.
Okay.
So you not buy what man blood
No,
clean.
I'm going to the side already.
So you not go down, sir?
I'm attention. Reach down so with us there.
Yeah, man.
Understand?
Uncle in our business,
Up
same
top.
speed.
Son?
Yes, I.
The real G.
You understand?
Smooth it.
You know, sir, I just getting like a house color.
Watch him.
I think.
House color.
What you say?
And here comes foodie.
Beetroot?
Yeah.
Here comes who?
There's lemon juice in it though.
Yeah.
So till you drink now.
Ginger.
No, huh?
So you drink
Who's
now.
foodie?
Now you need foodie.
You're the one who ordered your large food that can't
Yeah,
even cook.
uncle. Chilla. Real G. Shenkwinkwa. I ain't call him bad as Bitters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jade.
JDs. And
Yeah.
TTs.
Ten dumpling.
Sasha again, TTs.
Saturday name ten dumpling.
And foodies. Yo, stop drink out my things, my youth.
This is yours? I thought it was
Of course.
mine. You didn't even know they had natural juice.
Stop touch up my things, man. Hold this.
I'm the foodie. Why is it so zoomed up? This guy's calling me the foodie when he just ordered a large food and said he's giving me only a win.
Yes, chop chop.
How much you need from morning?
How much time you eat from morning?
And you still have touchy drinks?
Ziggy,
Let me see no.
this drink is mine. I was the one who told you to buy it for me.
I have a money buy. I feel my money buy that
It's
one.
not your money.
Stop ramping, man.
This guy played too much.
Yeah, Poopa. Ah, pa.
See.
No. You can't drink all the drinks.
I'm not drinking it off, Ziggy. You didn't even know they had juice in there until I said.
But you
buy
not
me a
give me no chance to
beetroot.
look.
Before you guys get at me in the comments why the kids are in seatbelts. Car has no middle
I'm
seatbelt.
enjoying myself, man.
Oh, somebody feeling a seat there.
Should come up on there.
So we dip on the road again. Just stop to get some food, you understand?
Going to the beach,
Yeah? Mad charge, man.
Where's
You're going
Chilla?
to the beach, eh? That's a face there.
Chilla's the real brown man.
No, I don't.
Chilla beat me out.
Chilla, stop.
An orange color shirt reflect the
Yo, look how
face.
cute he is. He's so cute. Say hi. You're not gonna say hi? She's camera shy.
Chelsea.
You're camera shy?
You're
camera shy?
Camera shy. Where about now, Chelsea?
No, say Arsenal.
No?
Say Arsenal.
Chelsea.
This guy. Little Italy. I remember someone saw this. What are you doing?
Oh, Issa. What going on?
Oh. scored one on Ziggy. Up to now, Ziggy can't get one. Up to now, Ziggy can't get one ball in. I got one on you already. Show me something. No, not in the net. Just like kick up or something. Oh God, Ziggy, seriously? You hurt your elbow for real? You okay? You okay? Nigga, are you okay? That's not funny. That's not funny. Yo, this guy's so annoying. After he just broke up his hand last month, he's gonna fall and pretend that he hurt himself. Why you drown yourself? Waves are heavy.